Hello dear friends and welcome to my channel. With this video included in a playlist titled How to Master YouTube Skills. You are most welcome to be a member of the channel by subscribing and activating the bell button to receive all notifications. You can go through the playlist videos by clicking on the link listed below the explanation in the description box. Our topic is how to arrange videos in a playlist. First, what's a playlist? It's a group of videos placed inside a list where the videos are related to a specific topic, and the reason for the arrangement is the desire of the owner of the channel to move from one video to the next by the viewer, so that there is a logical sequence of the topics explained in the videos of the list. Now let's go to a practical example. Click on the channel photo and then click YouTube Studio. Then click Playlists. Then choose the playlist you want to rearrange. For example, this list. Click to open it. Now, how to rearrange videos. For example, I want to move this video to be the first one. All I have to do is to click here and then drag the video. Okay? Now the video became the first video in the list. Another example, if I want to move this video to be here, I have to click here and then drag the video. In this way, the location of the video will be changed as I want, and in all cases, the location of the two videos will be replaced by the place of each other. The summary of the topic is to access the playlist and choose the video that I want to change its location and then drag and drop to the new place in the list. I hope you like the illustration of the video and I'm looking forward to your interaction and see you in another video. Best wishes.